Okay, so today we're doing space buns. My hair has been stretched out from a sort of a braid out. You can see the texture is much more stretched out here than it is at the end because of the way I had initially set it. And I don't want to put more product in my hair right now because I want to keep it fairly clean for the style I'm doing tomorrow. So I just have leave-in basically in my hair, leave-in and some curl cream. Okay, I'm gonna pull it through and then pull this middle part through, but don't pull it through so far that I lose the ends of the puff. Okay, so that's probably good. And then I pull this around, kind of flatten it down like so. And then to secure it, I'm just gonna grab another. Okay, there's one. Can I get the other one? That's the question. It's always the question. Okay, so this one kind of ended up being more at the back. So I've got to do the same thing for this side. So we're gonna pull up. This is kind of more to the back. Okay. First of all, does this look like it's in roughly the same place? I think so. Okay, so we leave some out here. We're gonna wrap that around and just kind of fan it out a bit. Okay. And then just kind of pull that down to make sure it is secure. Okay, I think I've got two pretty good space buns here. Looks pretty good from the back too. I think it's fairly secure with just the elastics, but to be on the safe side, I'm just gonna put a couple bobby pins. There is never any harm sticking some bobby pins in to secure things. Okay, and that should do it. Now the rest of my outfit, adding this belt because as cute as this dress is, it is shapeless on me. So this just cinches in the waist some and gives me a better figure. Okay, very nice. And because of the way I maintain my brows, all I have to do if I want more of a shape is just kind of do that with my fingers. That looks a lot cleaner. And last but not least, earrings. Decided to go with the hoops today. Okay. And there we go. That is the look. Space buns, and they look so cute. This braid out really did give them a fun little pattern. Like you see all the little squiggly lines. You know, if I'm wearing my hair pulled back and then the ends get braided, then of course there's kind of like no pattern here, but that works perfect for any updo styles. So the ends of it have the curls and then the fronts are just kind of pulled back. And normally I don't like to have a middle part, but with this style, it works okay because the emphasis is on the buns and not on the hairline. And so you will see this before you pay attention to that middle part, which works for me. And there you have it, a very, very quick get ready with me that I was able to do in just a few minutes here. The hardest part, like I said, was positioning the space buns, but once they're in place, we are good to go. See you next time.